Hey, what is up, guys? So today we are playing Destroy Grandma. That's actually that's what the game's called. Destroy Grandma. Where you basically just try to kill Grandma as she tries to do her stuff. Oh, I forgot you need to power me. Well, die, Grandma. Die, Grandma! Oh no, I can't afford that. Oh, now I can. Ooh. Honestly, this will give me something better. I just got a sword. Nope, give me that. Oh, Grandma. No. Is she punting me? I just threw a katana at Grandma though. Or no, not a katana. It wasn't a katana. In the face. Has anybody unlocked this one yet? No. Butcher's knife. Grandma! Oh, Grandma! I want to do this to my real grandma. She's just she's covered in shark teeth. Grandma. Grandma, you should not do that. I'm your grandchild. Just ignore me, Grandma. Once she gets up. Kill her. Kill the grandma. Kill the grandma. Where did the grandma go? Oh, I'm guessing in there. Kill the grandma. Kill the grandma. Oh, she's down there. Oh, she's dead. Very soon. Nope. I'm not here. Get her. She's 2 HP. Let's go! I prefer Grandma's house. I love the Grandma's house. Who's this one person that's choosing the restroom? Oh, never mind. Bro, we're just over here. Look at me. So tired today, bro. I'm waiting for players 1 out of 2. Yes, Grandma's house. It's Grandma's house. Alright, it's not me. I don't like being grandma. Yo, how's this dude already playing? No. No, not me, not me, not me, not me, not me. Oh, I can get the best item. I can get like a Molotov or a grenade. I got a Molotov. Oh, Grandma. Grandma. Grandma, where are you? Oh, is she down here? Oh, Grandma. Oh! Why? You were in the way! Oh, she's still burned. Now, why don't we just punch her while she's on the ground? Dang, the combo. Yo. Sound. Is this dude stuck? Dang. Sucks for you. Grandma. Grandma, get over here. Throw a knife at you. Let me just say this grandma is built different. Like, the grandma is actually built different. Cause she gets hit by knives, shovels, Molotovs, grenades. And she's still alive. Oh, I just got punted. Mom, Grandma hit me. I got punted again. And she's flexible enough to kick her children. Or her grandchildren. Got a double-bladed knife. Grandma, where you think you're going? All the way back down. That just proves my point even more. And I got a butcher's knife. Grandma. No. Fall. Let's go! We defeated Grandma! Again, I don't know why I'm so happy that we killed our grandma. This game is so fun. We killed our grandma, guys! Alright, grandma's house again. Oh my gosh. Literally everybody except for this one dude. I'm tired. Oh. mine. Bro, are you joking right now? Oh yeah? Bro! Yeah, bro. In the head. And I got another one. Grandma. Right. That's right. Back up. Bro, I keep getting punted. Grandma, stop. Stop! Grandma! Mom, Grandma's kicking me. Just throw a knife at her and start beating her up on the floor. Like, dang, it's not that hard. Head. Oh, dang. She flipped around. Bro. In the head. We've dang it, girl. Wait, what? I need it. Axe. Axe. Yeah, Grandma? Dang. Forehead. Kind of a hard target to miss. No, just do like a... Just jump onto her like... Squasher. Ooh. Grandma. Watch this aim. Alright. Molotov. If they get in the freaking way again, I swear, bro. This should finish her off. Bye-bye, Grandma. I never liked you anyway. Dang it, bro. I'm pretty sure she in the house? Trolls. At some point we gotta do that. Maybe. Alright, smart. Where is she? There's gotta be another key somewhere, because I gotta throw a Molotov at her. Give me another key. Give me another key. Okay. Oh no. Stuck. Alright. I just gotta find Grandma, because I got this. Oh, she's this way. She's this way. I gotta finish her off. Yo, why'd it go that way? No! Yes, but I wanted to... Dang. Let's see if we can get Grandma. If we don't get Grandma this round, then we'll just end out the video. Give me Grandma. 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 Alright, we'll finish up this round and then we'll end out the video. Alright. How do you get in there? Oh. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Alright, I was curious. Let's just kill Grandma. Right in the throat. Ain't no way, bro. Run away! Cannonball. Nope. I need something to kill Grandma with. Oh, they left? Alright, then I guess that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.